Alright, we're back. We're live. Day 2.
Next day.
We're gonna kinda be parts changers on this one.
New
what
battery.
do we got here?
New battery.
New battery.
New battery.
Couldn't warranty the AC Delco one. Didn't have time for that.
No time for that. What do we got for cold? 800.
Yeah.
Cold
Got a
cranking
nice Napa Legends. About the same thing.
If it doesn't crank, you're gonna cry.
And a nice Dorlast gold starter, because that's pretty much about all we could get today. That's quality. Shout out AutoZone. Shout out Napa. I'm gonna throw these parts on and see what happens. And then if it still doesn't start, I guess we're gonna do some actual diagnosing. So, alright, we'll come back.
Fingers are crossed.
Alright, day 2, fresh battery, fresh starter. Everything hooked up? I guess so.
Yeah, nothing's changed. I got new battery to start. Got 13.5.
Neutral?
Ground.
Alright, hit it.
Oh my God!
Thank God. That sounds way better.
Yeah! Let's go
Way
again.
better.
You ready?
Alright, let me try and see where the timing's at.
Oh, I gotta snap that.
Holy crap, thank God. I guess we were glorified parts changers. We did use a test light though.
It should be hooked up, dude. Yeah, it's hooked up. Oh.
Alright. No, I couldn't really see. I got too excited by the sound. I couldn't even.
I know. Ready?
Alright.
What do we do? It's coming out now.
Yeah.
My thought was to shove a funnel in there so
Hope
it can
it's
work
not-
the way to the
yeah,
funnel.
It probably still needs to purge the air out.
Yeah, I'm gonna say there's still.
I'm sure it's still
too
got a
much
lot
in
of
here.
air in the system.
Well, now that we got that, it's kind of fun.
Yeah, it would just
Pressurized,
let it
yeah.
cool off. Figure just give it everything a good heat cycle. Like that was good for the head gaskets, the exhaust gasket, everything.
Look, you really see a little brown color?
Yeah, yep. Give it a nice heat cycle.
Was that always that wet?
Like gold.
That
It
was.
was damp.
I was. I know you said the seals were
Yeah,
just
that
shot
was
down, but
that was damp, but that was damp when I put it
That
on.
was- yeah, I
cranked
damped
that
it
thing.
off.
There's no way.
yeah, there's no.
There's no. I mean maybe, but I don't think so.
We were dripping water out of here.
Yeah.
Condensation. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or if that means there's a leak
it's
there.
just not a very tight seal.
Did you even tighten that down? I haven't touched that. When you threw that on, does that tighten that?
I think I tightened it down when I did the whole turbo relocation or turbo rotation seal. I don't think that minor leak affects, but it runs.
First try, too. Well, second.
It was, yeah,
Second
it
try.
needed to, there was definitely air in there. It needed to get that air out. Just can't fire injectors on air.
No, it doesn't work too well.
No.
Can you just turn back the fuel? Oh, we're gonna coming back.
It's coming back. It's back. Alright, let's get a little after first heat cycle. What we got going on here? Definitely rich.
Definitely put too
Tunes
much
first
coolant in
thing.
it, in the reservoir.
For sure. Yeah, coolant was a little overfull. Definitely gotta bleed the air out of it as per usual.
I think the air's coming out right now.
Yeah.
Take it out.
Got up over 100 and it was at least 120 degrees.
Yeah, it was over 115.
Yeah, it was at least 120. Stainless starting to get some gold color. I mean, I thought we were leaving the gold behind, but
It's just here to stay. Haunts us.
kind of makes my welds look better. Not gonna lie.
Start. Everything's got an upside.
And a downside. It's alright. Some of them are alright.
Want to push it back into the heat?
That part was a pain. Not so much
Yeah, the whole thing
ideal
was
at some spots, but so far, I think we're pretty good on exhaust leaks and everything. Like, everything is really good. I don't hear anything. I don't see anything. That tiny little bit on the downpipe, that's always been there. But we don't have no more 1/4 inch hole. So every time you come to a stop, it shuts off.
Oh, yeah, remember
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
In the rain?
Yeah, in the rain. Dude, this is just way too much eye candy on this thing now.
I'm ready to... I'm ready to beat on it, dude. It ran for a total of 5 minutes. I'm ready.
We gotta get this thing to the tuner. Hope it lives. Fingers crossed. ARP studs, crank 10 foot-pounds over than what they recommend. Another set of Felpros, head gaskets. Lowering kit is next, but that's,
If it lasts.
yeah, first
if it
we're
hangs
gonna, yeah, if it hangs around, and then suspension's next. I'm tired of the rake look. I mean, it's not too bad right now. It's definitely the best it's ever been,
Pad's
but
on an angle too, isn't it?
yeah. Yeah, this pad's a little bit of an angle for the rain. V4. Last version of the small block Ford.
Dude, you just burnt your mic.
That's alright.
I literally watched smoke come off of it.
It's alright. Last version, V4. What's
V4.
next? What's V5?
We'll find out one day. Guaranteed.
Does it involve an LS?
It involves one of those 7 LSs back there in that container.
What are you looking at?
Well, I don't know if I'd show that.
It's being recycled.
Yeah, I wish I could just recycle itself through this.
What's going on here?
Well, judging by our 4 times of trying to put coolant in it and get the thermostat to open. I think the cylinder might have a slight fracture in it. And
Or the
it's,
block somewhere maybe.
Or yeah.
Attempt number 4.
No coolant in the oil.
Don't worry though, it's being recycled. We have a trap here that traps it, and then we recycle it.
With this thing, we would have spent like $800 in coolant
Yeah.
if we did.
So it's not looking too well.
No. No coolant in the oil. No coolant coming out the exhaust.
Nope.
Pressurized from the wrong end of things somewhere before thermostat opens.
Yeah.
Pukes it all back out funnel.
This is
If
about
you can't
about
tell.
185 or so.
185 is where it starts to get rowdy. 180. What were we at? 189 is
When you were holding on for dear life
yeah
on the funnel.
is when it burns your skin because it's geysering out of the funnel.
We can flash back to that at work of me by myself trying to bleed the coolant out.
You got a video?
Dude, geysering. Like straight volcano status. Multiple times. Like easily like 2 gallons of coolant on the ground. Easily. Just
The fact that you were like, oh, I guess I'll keep going, and meanwhile I'm like this, holding this funnel
holding this up.
contraption we had here to try and catch some of it sooner so we could put it back in, and it's geysering about 5 foot out all over my skin. And Kyle's like, yeah, let's just rev it more.
I had some hope, but now, just like that Slipknot song, all hope is gone.
My hands are sticky.
My
Everything
toes
smells
are
really
frozen.
good. I'm shivering.
I got coolant on my hay dudes.
There's coolant everywhere. I can't let the dogs
Alright,
lick
so
my boots.
day 2, this is a wrap. Not really sure what the
Yeah. Day
final
2.
prognosis is yet, but
Day 2 should have been the finish day.
test drive.
Test? You want to go take it for a rip? Let's go, dude. Wash my hands, dude.
Alright, back in there. And then some more diagnosis tomorrow.
Is there soap in there?
Yeah. Alright, talk to you later.